1,000 years ago. Those cold nights in December, and the sound of the falling snow, the fireplace warming us, the VHS movie box, your old broke down touring bus, and not a single cloud in the sky. If I could go back in time, I'd pack my bags right now. If I could play back, rewind, I wouldn't think twice. A pair of jeans and a dusty shirt, we didn't have a dime. No, you and me.
Hello. Another day out for the Familia Medroso. We are in South Devon Railway. Team train.
No, you and me were poor as dirt. All we had was time. Stars over us, just a dream guiding us, and not a single cloud in the sky.
So while we're waiting for our first steam train ride, we went to the gift and model railway shop.
If I could go back in time, I'd pack my bags right now. If I could play back my life, I wouldn't think twice. A pair of jeans and a dusty shirt, we didn't have a dime. No, you and me were poor as dirt. All we had was time. All we had was time.
That's a restaurant called.
We bought a family ticket, and it allows us to travel as many times as we want. The trains, although it's old, are well kept and clean. The staff are mostly volunteers, and they are really helpful and friendly. It's wonderful to see such old engines are lovingly cared by volunteers. It's also fascinating to notice that every train carriage have different designs or colors of seats.
Every bad thing and every good, I wouldn't change it if I could, 'cause it all led us up to this. Every moment, every kiss.
The train steams gently through the beautiful Devon countryside along the River Dart, and the journey is very relaxing and enjoyable. Plenty of whistle blowing and slow enough speed to enjoy the beautiful Dart Valley.
If I could go back in time, I'd pack my bags right now. If I could play back, rewind, I wouldn't think twice. A pair of jeans and a dusty shirt, we didn't have a dime. No, you and me were poor as dirt, and all we had was time. When you and me were poor as dirt, and all we had was time.
Look at this posh train. You can eat inside. Buffet train. There's a table. The second steam train of the day. This one. I guess we're moving seats. Oh, different color. We're going to Totnes to see the Breed's Farm.
Train.
Our dessert is their traditional, gluten-free, natural flavors ice cream, and it's so cool. Ben is vanilla, Pear is mango, I'm salted caramel, and Ethan is strawberry flavor.
What do you think, Ben, of the ice cream? It's so rich. How about the strawberry one? It's yummy. Daddy has a real mango. Dad, masarap. Yummy. Yay. Taste it.
So on the platform of Backfastly, there's an interesting train museum.
we're gonna go back to Foxley
To see the otters.
and let's go home now. Bye.
We're inside the steam train.
No.